Oh, hello again, or I think I can already say Živijo. It's been a few weeks since our last Slovenian lesson. I guess I was just too busy running around on Malta, myself doing some sort of touristic stuff, but since they are all bilingual there, or trilingual, I think I had no problems using my English, and I think I got along quite well. So today we're going to do some more opening lines for some sort of conversation when you're out in a bar or on the streets trying to talk to someone, to ask him or her how you feel. So I think we could start, with a very common opening line. Where are you from? In Slovene it's Odkot si? And the answer can always be just the name of the state or the country or the continent. Depends how to the point you want to be, so you can just say the States or England. You can always say Alaska if you're not afraid that you might be too tightly connected to a certain person from Alaska. So the next question would be, if you want to make things more precise, from which city? And Slovene version is katerega mesta. You can also just name the city, whichever city you want to name, and then you can slowly move further on, do all sorts of shooting crap and stuff like that. So the next question can always be, is everybody here so nice? So tukaj vsi tako prijazni? I think that could just soften the terrain a bit. And then of course you can move further on with flattering, like I really like your eyes, or všeč so mi tvoje oči. I think that can work, that's always a good starter. And you can also say, you really have a nice smile. Res imaš lep nasmeh. I think we can do some other words like, eyes, lips, nose, ears, hands, butt and stuff like that a bit later. Or maybe not. Nose is nos. Ears are ušesa. Usta or Ustnice are lips or mouth. Hands, roke. So there's always a sentence, res imaš lepe roke, you really have beautiful hands. Or, I really like your lips, všeč so mi tvoje ustnice. And then when you just, slowly make the progress, when you move on and on and on, here's the clencher. Your place or mine? Pri tebi ali pri meni? And I think that today's lesson should end just about now. So see you next time. Bye.